Hi, today we will learn about PowerShell and why we use PowerShell and basic commands of PowerShell. First, we are starting from basic information of PowerShell. Windows PowerShell is a powerful tool for automating basic tasks and simplifying configuring and can be used to automate almost any task in the Windows. For that we use that, and now we will see how can we start. To start PowerShell we have to click on Power Window. After clicking from there, and then we have to go Windows PowerShell, and then we have to click. After clicking there, and then we will see one more option like Windows PowerShell. After clicking here, and then we can see the window of PowerShell. This is a terminal. On this terminal we can use many commands of that, and today we will learn about basic commands of that. And right now we are starting from there, and I will write every command and I will tell to about every command why we use these commands. Let's start. First we are having the command get location. With the help of this command we can get the location where we are working now. After writing this command, and then we have to hit enter. After clicking enter, and then we can see the location C colon slash users slash Raju K. Right now we are working in the Raju K, and if we want to go inside any folder, for that we are having two commands. We will see how can we go inside. Now on the desktop directory we have to go inside the desktop, like now you can see right now we are in the desktop directory, and we are having one of command ls. With the help of ls command we can see how many directories and files are there on the desktop. It can show everything. Now we can see there are saying mp3 folder, mp3 and new folder photos as space directory. Now we have to go inside the space directory. For that we are having another command also, as we have used now, set -location. Now we will use another command. Now I have write cd space dir. Now we have to hit enter. After hitting enter, and then we can go inside that command. Inside that directory we are checking with the help of ls. There is a one of file name is file1.txt. with the help of this command, this is the mi, with the help of this command we can cut paste, because as we can see in the space dir, we are having a file name is ffile1.txt. Now we want to move that file on the desktop, so we are using this command /c :/users /Raju Kumar Raju K /desktop. Now we are hitting enter, then we will see this file will be moved to desktop. Now we can see here is an error. In this error it is showing this file is already exists on the desktop directory. Now we want to see that. Now you can see we are having a file. Here is this file, so it cannot move. Now we want to delete this file. Okay, now again we want to move this file to desktop. We are using that command which we have used. Now we will use ls. After using ls, here is not a file. Now we want to check that file on the desktop. Now we can see here is a file. If we want to create any file, for that we will use to create a file, we are having a command new item. Now if we don't know about the command, but we know that command will start from new keyword. After that, if you how many commands will start from the new keyword, and then we want to check. For that we will use only tab. After clicking on tab, it can show how many command is started from new keyword, like this. Let's see. This is the one command which is started from new -alias, and we will again hit. Then it is showing another command also, autologger config, and we will hit again. It can showing certification notification task, Kim instance, now Kim session, but we need only new item. Like this we will hit until we will not get that command. Okay, now we got that command which we want. As we have clicked here, and then that file is created. We can see this is that file. If you want to create a directory, for that we are having a command dir. No, for that we are having mkdir, sorry. Now you can see here is this is a directory dir123, and this one is the file new file. If we want to check, how can we say that this is a directory or this is file? For that it is showing, to get the full information of that, this is showing mode. It is showing here d means directory, and new file, this is a new file. .txt means this is the extension of file. Right now, as you can see here, we have used many commands. If we want to clear this screen, for that we are having a command cls. Cl is a command to clear this screen. After writing this command, and then we have to hit enter. Now this screen has been cleared. To clear this screen, one more command we are having, clear. Clear is another command to clear this screen. As we want, we can use command. We are having both of them. Thank you.